Alright, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by writing content, managing marketing, answering emails, researching new ideas, and keeping your business running all at the same time, then today's video is for you. Imagine having a team of AI-powered assistants that can help you create content, organize workflows, write marketing copy, research profitable niches, and handle repetitive business tasks, all from one platform. That's exactly what we're exploring today with ClawAgents AI. Instead of relying on a single chatbot, ClawAgents AI is designed as an AI workflow automation platform that brings together multiple specialized AI agents for different business tasks. Whether you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or small business entrepreneur, the platform aims to simplify your daily workload and help you get more done in less time. One of the biggest challenges with traditional AI tools is that you often have to switch between multiple platforms. You might use one tool for blog writing, another for email marketing, another for social media, and yet another for research. Before you know it, you're juggling subscriptions, copying and pasting information between apps, and spending more time managing tools than actually growing your business. ClawAgents AI takes a different approach. It brings together AI-powered workflows for content creation, marketing, research, business planning, and productivity into a single dashboard. The platform also includes hundreds of pre-built templates that are designed to help you complete common business tasks faster without starting from a blank page every time. Let's say you're launching a new product. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use ClawAgents AI to generate landing page copy, create promotional emails, develop social media captions, research your target audience, and even organize your campaign workflow. Rather than jumping between multiple applications, you can manage these tasks from one place, making the entire process more efficient. Another interesting feature is its integration with popular messaging platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord. This means you can communicate with your AI workflows using tools you may already use every day. For busy entrepreneurs and remote teams, that convenience can make managing projects much easier. For content creators, ClawAgents AI offers tools that can help generate blog articles, video ideas, email newsletters, social media content, SEO-focused copy, lead magnets, and much more. While it's always important to review and personalize AI-generated content before publishing, having a solid first draft can save hours of work every week. Freelancers and agencies may also find value in using the platform to prepare client proposals, marketing assets, workflow plans, and research reports. Instead of spending valuable time creating repetitive documents from scratch, AI can assist with the initial structure so you can focus on adding your expertise and delivering higher quality results. One of the most appealing aspects promoted by ClawAgents AI is its beginner-friendly design. You don't need coding knowledge, VPs hosting, Docker, GitHub, or complicated technical setup. The goal is to let users focus on their business instead of worrying about technical configuration. If you're looking for a platform that combines content creation, workflow automation, business research, marketing support, and AI-powered productivity tools in one place, ClawAgents AI is certainly worth taking a closer look. As with any software investment, it's always a good idea to review the available features, understand any usage policies, and decide whether it fits your specific business needs. If you'd like to learn more about ClawAgents AI, be sure to check out the link in the description below for additional information and the latest details. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos covering AI tools, online business strategies, and digital marketing tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.